Just click on start the application, enter your business name. In this case, just let's write ABC Salon. If you have any tagline for your business, just enter it. If not, just click on create logo. Now, there are three types of logos you can create: graphical, initials, and signature. In this case, let's just choose graphical, and we are going to go through all these three types of variations inside this video. Just click on graphical and hit proceed. Select your niche. In this case, our niche is salon. Just click on that and click on create logo. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of amazing logos already created for us. Just click on load more and there are a bunch of logos already there for you. In this case, let's choose this one. You can either download it or customize it. We'll see how to customize the logo in the later part of this video. Now, you can go to the type again and you can change and toggle between the three type of logos. It's already there. Now, let's see how these initials type of logos looks like. Just click on initials and hit create logo. Wait for a few seconds and these are called initials type of logos. You can create these type of logos too. Just click on load more if you want more, and just again this works the same. If you want this, just click on download, and if you want to customize this, you can just click on customize and do it. Now there are multiple variations of this ABC Salon logo has been arrived here. Now let's go to the type again and let's toggle through the signature type of logo. Let's just click on create logo, and these type of logos are called signature logos. And let's see more of these. This looks amazing, isn't it? Once you are here, you can download anything you like, however you want, and you can just use this logo, sell it to clients, and you can use it however you want. Now, let's see how we can edit a logo as per our needs. In this case, we're going to choose this logo to edit. Just click on customize. Just for a note purpose, you can edit all the three type of variations of logos as per your need. Now, we are into the edit dashboard of this logo. You can change the logo design or template directly from here. And the second thing is text. You can add multiple text variants just by clicking on it. In this case, let's just click on subheading and let's bring it here and let's type best salon in New York. Let's adjust the size of it. Let's bring it below ABC Salon. Let's change the font color to dark blue. Or let's just let's copy the font color of this one and we'll change it to this one so it matches to it and it looks in a proper sense. Now, as you can see, the color is matched. Now you can change the language if you want, or if you can even change the font if you need. In this case, let's just choose Arimo Bold Italic, just for an example. Now, if you want, you can bold it, italic it, and do whatever you want. If you want to insert special characters, you can do it here. If you want to uppercase all these, you can just click on it and it will be automatically, every single letter here will be in the uppercase. Now, you can align it, left align, right align, and center align. In this case, we'll stick up with center alignment. You can increase or decrease the font size with the slider here. You can add a border color if you want, or if not, that's okay. Let's go to the third option, that's images. If you want to insert any image from the Pexels, Pixabay, or JumpStory integrations, you can do it. Just search for your image and you can just click on the image and you can insert that here. It's that simple. Same with objects. In this case, let's just search for salon here and let's click on enter. As you can see, multiple salon related objects are here. Just click on any object you want, resize it and place wherever you want it in the image. In this case, let's just place it here just for an example. And now your image looks really, really good. The same goes with background. You can change the background of this particular image just in one click. If you want any colors to be changed, like let's assume you want yellow color to be a background for this one, it's done. Same goes with pattern and photos as well. Now the last one is your uploads. You can just click here, upload any image from your computer and insert here and remove the background for it within a second, just on a click of a button. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.